So I've been following Philip for the last few weeks now. Been anywhere, whether it's in person or over the Zooms, just chasing behind all the sessions, getting as much of the knowledge I can. And it's been an absolute blessing learning from one of the best students out there. And now he's giving back to the community and teaching all of us that are lost, all of us that are scattered, all of us blowing accounts, all of us just getting into trades, not understanding what we're doing, either making money or losing. Now, fast forward about a month later after following Philip really hard, it's exciting. It's exciting to it's like spidey senses. You just understand what's going to happen before it happens. And it's not just theory, it's not just basics 1 through 4. Now we're gonna be able to beat those 10 pips. We're gonna be able to beat the Dr. K trades. We're gonna be able to see trades before the top traders see them. Yeah. Now that we're finally comprehending and understanding this beautiful language of money. So thank you so much, Phil.
Yeah, good stuff.